How to manage subscriptions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, tap on your Apple ID profile at the very top of the screen. This section lets you manage your Apple account, including personal details, security, payment methods, and connected devices. On the Apple account page, find and tap on the Subscriptions option. This will take you to a screen where all of your active and expired app subscriptions are listed. From here, you can view details about each subscription, change your subscription plan, or cancel a subscription if you no longer need it. You can also see when each subscription is set to renew. Following these steps, you can easily manage subscriptions on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.